Arichain are likely going to list this year. Recently, so many Arichain participants have been logged out of the app and couldn't log back again. Imagine months of active participation gone like that. Here's how to save yourself and your friends that participated on this project. So when you open your Arichain app, so as you can see, we are still waiting for their next update concerning the TGE and listing. Ever since the task completion period, we haven't heard from Arichain concerning any updates about listing and TGE. Well, all we know is that the TGE and listing will happen very soon, because the way they were pushing updates during the task completion period and rising hopes of participants, that's a sign that the TGE and listing will be very soon. Maybe first quarter of next year or before this year runs out, hopefully. Well, the purpose of this video is for the participants of Arichain to protect the account, because recently so many people have lost their account regardless of how many coins they have inside. This happens as a result of not knowing their password and private key. You might just wake up one morning and want to open your Arichain app and they are asking you to log in, of which you don't know your password and even your private key. So to avoid that kind of situation, here is how to go about this. Tap on this place, then click on this settings icon, then tap on view master key. So for them to review your master key for you, you need to input your password. So once you input your password, they are going to show you your private key. So all you have to do is just to save it. And if your password is something that you are likely going to forget, all you have to do is to change your password right now, because if you don't change it and if you forget it, that would be a big problem, because there is no such option as forgotten password right now. Maybe they will add the feature later, but to avoid this, all you have to do is to change your password to the one that you are likely going to remember easily in case of future purpose. So right here you need to enter your current password, and here you need to enter the new password, which is the one you want to be using from now on, and not just anyhow password. Remember the instruction provided below. The password must be between 8 and 32 characters, meaning that it must be 8 to 32 characters. That's whether it's numbers, symbols, letters, anything. Just it must not exceed 32 and it must not be below 8 letters or numbers or symbols. So that's what it means. And at least one lowercase, meaning from small letter from A to Z, small letters. And also your password must include at least one uppercase from A to Z in capital letter. It must be in capital letter, at least one letter. So, and the next one is at least one numbers, like from 0 to 9. You must include number on your password so that it will be very, very strong for security reasons. And the last one is at least one special symbols, like all these symbols provided here you are seeing, at $, e.g. so all these kind of symbols and question mark. So anyone, just include at least one of it. So after doing all that, you confirm your password, which is the new password you just entered up there. So after re-entering your password to confirm it, then tap on complete. So after tapping on complete, the password will be changed to the new one alongside your private key. The private key will also change. So you go to your private key, enter your password, and save your private key as well. Very, very important. This is how to stay safe and secure your Arichain wallet account. Very, very important. Share this video to your friends and community, to your groups, anyone you know that participated on this project, because we can't just participate on this project for months and just lose the account at the end of the day because of careless mistake. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye for now.